Postcards from a Fulmar. Dear Einhallow, if only you could witness this boldness of brine, this expanse of landlessness. You who are always reaching out with your curved neck, shaking your mane of waves. You who stamp and paw at the very edge of what it is to be land, sea fret bit between your teeth, straining against rains of current and tide. Dear chick, remember your bile is your talisman. Don't be afraid to spit. Look for danger with your gut and your nose. Don't trust anyone you never see in winter. I'm dancing on the sea's ceiling. I'll bring you back a lanternfish. Dear wind, I miss you when you're gone. I float on the surface of the water, legs dangling like rotting kelp. The inertia makes me dizzy. I start to see things, clouds falling from the sky, gannets turning into the unfeathered ones coming for me with their nets. I hear siren songs. I fight the urge to sleep. It's too warm. If you don't lift me, I'll sink. Dear mate, I'm not lost. I came to see the cliffs of Moth, the Isle of Inishmore, the Connemara ponies gambling in silverweed and watermint, the spit of hornless unicorns. You'd love the folk tales here, full of flight and longing. I'll be home soon.